One question that businesses should ask when adopting an AI solution is, who to engage in decisions? Are business stakeholders sufficient, or should you also reach out to end users and those loosely connected to your business? In this video, we are answering this precise question. AI is becoming more embedded in everything we do, and it's no longer a question if you are engaging with AI, but when and how. Ensuring the responsible design, development, and deployment, as well as the ongoing use of AI, is more important now than ever. In supporting you on this journey, we put together a course, a workshop, and a reusable framework to introduce you to the essentials of stakeholder engagement, and to help you find practical ways to actively identify and involve key stakeholders when procuring or developing an AI solution. In this framework, we're approaching stakeholder engagement from 4 angles. First, who should you engage? You will need to identify stakeholders, categorize them using different AI personas, and employ mapping tools to understand their power and influence in your AI solution. Second, you will learn about key considerations related to data, ethics, and AI capability when building or procuring AI systems, and where to engage stakeholders in the use case agnostic AI project lifecycle. Next, we're asking why engage stakeholders at all. Here you will gain appreciation for the value and the benefit to both business and stakeholders when engaging them. And we introduce a 3-step process towards stakeholder engagement. And finally, how should you engage stakeholders in light of the above? You learn about stakeholder engagement levels and methods appropriate for different AI personas. And beyond the course, we encourage you to assess the long-term impact on stakeholders post-engagement, and we provide you with the tools to transfer the learning in your own business case. Only by actively engaging with stakeholders can businesses and organizations gain valuable insights to help them tackle AI challenges and foresee and manage related risks and harms before they happen. In summary, we argue for the value of engaging stakeholders when procuring AI systems to help you build trust with your stakeholders and confidence in your AI solution, ensure transparency and buy-in, empower stakeholders to contribute to your AI solution and to help you reap opportunities and mitigate risks, and include all relevant parties in your AI solutions, including those not targeted but indirectly impacted. Please see the relevant links and resources listed below, and enjoy your stakeholder engagement journey.